Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Bobby here once again. So this is a quick video I decided to make. I decided to go with a bit of a dashboard looking report here. So this is actually made using the reports section. Some of the other videos I am making more dashboards, but for this one I wanted to just show a report for this one. So this is just more of like a sample I decided to make. So here we take a data set with India e-commerce sales over the past few years, and I decided to go with, on the left side, you can see there's two columns really. On the left there's a report with a few different categories and metrics I decided to go with, and there's totals and averages. And on the right side there is a bar chart with a few different things. So let's get right into this. So on the report side, at the top, you can see it's separated by different states. There's a prompt here. There's a value prompt. I decided to go with the top. You can filter by the different states where the sales were going on in India. And then where the report is, it's by the categories of what was selling product-wise. So here, for example, it's electronics in Andhra Pradesh. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, so trying to be too harsh on me for that one. But you can see here, subcategory, order quarter, amount. You can see there's totals for each category and subcategory, as well as the overalls, as well as the profits. And I decided to create a simple calculation for profit margin percent, as you can see here, and also the quantity of order count. And then also, what you don't see is on the far left, there is the category, so it knows to categorize by that too, but I also hid the box types. So instead, I just have it show here. So really where it says state and category, those are actually text. Those are static text items that I put, but on the right where it says the state, actually the value, those are data item values. So each time I select different state, for example, let's say, we're at Andhra Pradesh right now, but let's say we went to West Bengal or Delhi. So we'll select Delhi. And as you see, it automatically changes by the state and also the category. So in this case, it starts with the clothing because they are the categories are sorting ascending based on how I decided to go with it. As usual, it does not show the category because it's already showing it here, and you can see it shows the different clothing products. Let's go with one more state. Let's go with West Bengal. And again, it's going to automatically show what's there. So again, it's clothing for West Bengal. Let's try just something else real quick, to show you something else coming up. Yes, here it's just like furniture, electronics, and clothing. And of course, you can see here it's much bigger with the clothing report because there are much more categories and metrics to cover. Now, you can also see when I'm scrolling, I decided to put it in a block. So this title up here, that is going to stay with you when you're scrolling up and down. And that way, when you hit the bottom of the page, it's not going to, take away where it says India e-commerce metrics. You can also apply the filter whenever you need to. So we'll go back. So back to Delhi or go, it doesn't matter. So let's talk about now on the right, we also have, it's automatically going to show the bar graphs I decided to go with. So on the blue columns, those are the total sales amounts for each of the subcategories for the clothings, for example, as you can see here. X-axis represents those amounts, or excuse me, Y-axis. Other Y-axis on the right side, you can see the profit margin percent, and the profit margin is going to be shown by the line. And then the total profit will be in the green. So you can see they're actually, some of the profit margins with clothing, for example, are very small. 2.2% profit margin with t-shirts. You're even going a little under here. Under a net loss in profit here with skirts and saris. You can see furniture, it automatically show based on wherever the category is. Electronics. It also decided to show the data values. As you can see here, it's showing the profit gross sales amounts, and profit margins. So this is a good report, and you can also, let's say you wanted to send it out to, if this is a report you had to send out to people, you can also send it out by specific prompts or specific states in this case to show if you just only need to show one, so there's less data to load, so it's much quicker and more efficient. And it's going to keep showing whatever you need to based on the state. So, and that will conclude that. I just wanted to showcase, what you can make with the report section. In terms of this, of course, I decided to go with these charts. So with that concludes it. This is made with, by the way, also with IBM Cognos Analytics 11.1.6 as per usual. So with that, I conclude, and thank you for watching.